Alright, just a quick video today. This time we're going to do a drain and refill on the transmission. So obviously automatic transmission here. Transmission fluid is not terrible, but it is getting a bit darker than I'd like. And again, we're just baselining, so I want to get everything straightened out. So here's kind of what we're looking at as far as the fluid color. That's kind of diluted quite a bit now on that white paper towel, but when I first got it on the towel, of course, it was a bit darker than that. That looks pretty pink on that, but it's actually darker. What we're using is just STP multi-purpose ATF. So this meets Dex 3, Mercon, all those specs. So anyhow, we're just gonna do a drain and refill. Not sure exactly how much fluid's gonna drain out of the pan, but that's okay. I know it's not gonna, of course, drain all of the fluid. I know that. But we'll just do one today, give the fluid a good chance to really mix around in there as we drive it, and then we'll do another drain and refill as many times as we need to in the future. Cool, let's get started. Transmission fluid pan, which is this guy here. See the dipstick tube. You can't, there you are. You can see the dipstick tube coming into the pan there. So anyway, we've got our drain plug right here, well, 14 millimeter. Looks like it's going to drain directly on this cross member, which is fun. So anyway, we'll make a bit of a mess, but whatever. All right, so we'll get this drained and see how we come out. Not looking too bad. We're getting a little bit darker than what I'd like. All right, so we're about done draining out. It did not really hit the cross member as I thought it would, so great news. I thought it might kind of pull back and then drain backwards a little bit, but anyway, pleasantly surprised. This might be the cleanest fluid drain and refill I've done, but I guess I shouldn't say that till I'm done. Anyway, looking good. We'll go ahead and plug it and start filling it back up. All right, got my trusty co-pilot with me. We just went around to warm up the fluid, make it hot so that we can get more of an accurate check on the fluid level. Everything seemed to be good. Doesn't shift hard. Moving just the shift lever feels pretty good. When I was driving, didn't feel any hard shifts or anything, so I think we are pretty well good to go. But anyway, we'll check it out, and we'll see what the fluid level looks like. Okay, so I was about a half quart shy after driving it around. The camera has a really difficult time focusing on the dipstick, so you'll just have to take my word for it. The fluid looks cleaner, obviously not perfect because it's not a full fluid exchanger of all brand new fluid, but it does look better. I added about 3.5 quarts, just shy of 4 quarts of new fluid. So, you know, we'll drive it around some more and check it just to make sure that we're all good there. But anyway, about 3.5 quarts there, and everything looks good, feels good, sounds good. So anyway, thanks for sticking around in this video. Hopefully find these useful or entertaining. But anyway, another quick and easy project done on the Land Cruiser. On to the next.